Hello and welcome back to our channel. And here's for you yet another recipe of breakfast as part of our breakfast series for a weight loss diet plan. This is a healthy version of so-called pudding or maybe a fruit parfait made with chia seeds and some fruits and cereals of our choice. Of course, it's quite simple, easy to prep and a filling one, the best suited for a weight loss diet journey. So check out the recipe and make it as your next breakfast. Into a bowl, let's take some chia seeds. Then here comes the almond milk. And this is a homemade, freshly prepped almond milk, which I think is quite better than the store-bought ones. Just stir in and that's it. Keep it to rest for at least 30 to 45 minutes or till the chia seeds are fully bloomed. Our next step is to prep a fruit. Today I prefer to take the dragon fruit as it is in season now. And as you may be knowing, the dragon fruits are low in calories, high in fiber and fluids, and good sources of nutrients. Of course, said to be one of the best for a weight loss meal plan. Now, more details about dragon fruit as well as chia seeds in aspect of weight loss is provided in our website. If you're interested to learn about their action on weight loss, then do check our website and there's a link for you in the description below. Also, don't get disheartened if dragon fruit is not available at your place. You can easily substitute it with fruits like kiwi, watermelon, papaya, and of course, most of the berries like strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and you name it. For one serving size, here I'm taking a little more than half portion of a medium-sized dragon fruit. Just chop them roughly and then drop them into a ball. And with the use of a fork, I would like to randomly mash them. If you're new to this channel, I would like to share with you that this video is a part of our breakfast series for weight loss. And there are a few other breakfast recipes already shared in this channel. Maybe you can check out the playlist and there's a link for you in the description. That's it, our fruit party is also ready. So now we are just left with assembling this pudding or the so-called fruit parfait. So before that, let's have a look at the chia seeds which we had soaked in the almond milk. It's of course perfectly soaked and ready to use. This roughly took me about 30 minutes or so, but as I said earlier, you can prep it overnight as well. So come, let's assemble our breakfast. First of all, I would like to add some cereal flakes. Here I'm using a multigrain cereal flake, it's unsweetened. Then let's top it with the mashed dragon fruit. You can see how beautiful it looks and like the appearance, it is healthy and delicious too. Now, this recipe stands for one serving size and so adjust accordingly if you want to make it for someone else in the family too. And here comes the next layer of chia pudding. Add in generously. See, there are many instances when I come across people telling that they skip their breakfast, especially when they are on weight loss diet plans, either because of their busy schedules or simply to cut calories. But I always would like to remind you to never skip your breakfast. As we know, it's the first meal of our day, and just like the name, it breaks our previous night's fast. So it's an important part of our daily diet to provide our body with the constant supply of energy and nutrients. And lastly, I'm going to finish it with some chunks of dragon fruit. As simple as that. This amazing layered chia pudding or the so-called fruit parfait is very nutritious, quite filling, and one of the best to serve yourself as a breakfast during your weight loss journey. I hope this recipe of mine will give you some ideas for making healthy breakfast during your weight loss meal plans. So from next time onwards, try simple, easy to make, and of course, healthy version of breakfast recipes and have a great journey of weight loss in a healthy way. Thank you for being with us and looking forward to hear from you about your weight loss experiences. Eat healthy and stay healthy.